When I started studying food science, I've always pictured myself working in a role that really heavily incorporated the theoreticals of science and then actually applying them to a realistic problem. I think manufacturing does that perfectly. I was lucky enough to relocate regionally to Strathmerton. Working regionally in that sort of community is incredible. My role at Bega is Formulations Specialist, which means I take the raw materials we have and turn them into a consistent quality end product. The NAWO mentoring program was actually recommended to me by the female manager I have, so I applied and was really lucky enough to be paired with Sandra, who had worked at Bega before.
The NAWO mentoring program was established by a group of women from logistics, supply chain and manufacturing to connect women coming through all of those different industries.
Through my mentoring relationship with Courtney, I try and support her through making her aware of various resources that are available out there.
The NAWO mentoring program has been great for me to have another female role model to be able to say, here are some good solutions to be able to deal with problems, to be able to deal with conflict and people, because I think that's what young women struggle with the most.
For many women, they still find themselves as one of few and sometimes still the only woman in a team or on a site, and that can be a challenge. So that experience really requires us to provide some support so that women who have exceptional skill sets can bring those to the table confidently, even if it means that they're standing out a little bit from the crowd.
I really get a lot of joy out of mentoring, particularly someone like Courtney who has such a strong desire to learn. I find that really satisfying.
I hope for a day when we don't actually have to focus on gender and that everybody's valued for the diversity that they bring to the workplace. And I want to see a manufacturing industry that is drawing upon 100% of the talent pool.
My favourite parts of manufacturing is I'm never bored. There is always something going on. There is always something to learn. It's an excellent career choice and really stable in Australia as well. So the job security is fantastic.